Hi. In this video, I will show you how you can download and install the plugin into your WordPress installation. Firstly, visit your email account which has been used while purchasing. Please note that you must have received an email from support@softstremtech.com. Let's open the email and get the login details from it. Visit https://account.softstrem.com and log in with the credentials provided in the email. On the dashboard page, on the side left products section, you will see different products which you have purchased. In the download section, click on the plugin name, it will start the download. Once downloaded, unzip the file. Now let's install and activate the plugin. Open your WordPress site. Click on Plugins. Then click on the Add New button next to Plugins heading. Then click on the Upload Plugin button next to Add Plugins heading. Now let's select the downloaded plugin file and click on Install. Once the plugin is installed, click on Activate. Now let's copy the plugin license key, go back to https://account.softstrem.com, then copy the license key. Head back to WordPress and then click on the plugin name. Put the license key and click on the Activate button. Now your copy is activated and you can configure it. There is a separate video for configuration. This is it for this video, thank you.